If you want to run Magento for business, you must meet some requirements. In this video, we will show you what major requirements must be met to run Magento. Let's start. Mail transfer agent. You can use RabbitMQ to send message to your customer. Operating system. Using Magento requires a Linux distribution such as Red Hat Enterprise Linux, CentOS, Ubuntu, and Debian. Microsoft Windows and Mac OS are not supported. Magento requires the following system tools for certain operations. SSL, HTTPS requires a valid security certificate. Web server. Magento supports Nginx 1.x or the latest mainline version, or Apache 2.4.x. You should also have the latest version of PHP FPM installed. Magento requires the following Apache modules to be installed. Database. You can use MySQL or MariaDB database to run Magento. Magento 2.4 requires a fresh install of MySQL 8.0. PHP. The following PHP versions are also required to run Magento. RAM. Make sure you have at least 4 GB of RAM to run Magento because the installation alone takes up to GB. Disk space. You need at least 20 GB of free disk space to run Magento. Xdebug. For Magento, you must use PHP Xdebug to 0.5.x or higher. Browser. Your browser must meet the following requirements. Please note that different versions of Magento requires different versions of the above configurations, and it is essential to ensure compatibility with the chosen version. What we have listed are the related configuration versions for all Magento versions. Next, we will select several recent released versions of Magento and explore the required configurations. The following are the configurations of Magento 2.4.7 Beta 1. The following are the configurations of Magento 2.4.6. Cloud Clusters offers 3 cost-friendly Magento plans to fit your business needs. If you are interested in it, start a free trial now without a credit card. Your Magento will be installed in minutes.
If you like our video, please give us a like and follow us for more exciting content. Don't forget to leave a comment.